Have you ever opened the PDF, try to change just one line, and realize you basically can't edit anything? Suddenly you're searching for converters, copying text into Word, or downloading random tools. I ran into the same problem, so I decided to test a PDF editor that claims you can edit PDFs almost like a Word document. So the tool is Tenorshare PDNob, an AI-powered PDF reader and editor that claims you can edit PDFs almost like a Word document. In this video, I'll test how easy it actually is to edit text, add images, annotate documents, and convert PDFs, and whether it's a real alternative to tools like Adobe Acrobat. You can download it from the link given below in the description. When you open it, you will see various usable options. You can use PDNob's AI assistants besides editing PDF. You can convert PDF to various files like Word, Excel, etc. You can do OCR scanning and make your PDF file editable easily. And here in Batch Tools, you get a lot of functions which are rarely get in any other software. Let's start with PDNob's AI. Here, you can use built-in AI chat assistant with two different models. You can ask anything regarding the PDF file opened instead of searching for a specific thing. Like I searched for the test described in this PDF, and it gave me the page number where it's mentioned and summarized me the whole procedure and information regarding that specific test from the whole PDF. This saved a lot of my time. Now let's check other features. Selecting Highlight from here, you can easily highlight the text. You can select the color of your choice. Even you can select any color from the whole spectrum. Next thing is Sticker. You can select any sticker and place anywhere. I place this pin and can add my comment here, like a note for me to remember later. You can even resize it, and under Options, you can adjust the opacity and change other settings. From here, you can edit various things. You can easily edit your text. This feature is really helpful, and this is something no one can ignore its importance. You always want to edit the PDF, and you might have already tried many tools but failed. Even some tools allow to edit, but the results are not precise. With PDNob, you can easily edit with precision whether it's text or image or anything. Also from here, you can OCR scan the PDF file. OCR makes your file editable. With these tools, we can edit the text, add images, links, crop the page, add your watermark, add background such as any image, Bates number, and much more. Let's try this watermark one. You can add text file or any image. Writing my text here. Adjusting the opacity, the angle, the size, and click Apply. Here, under Convert section, you can convert your file into various other formats, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and even into image. Let's convert this to Word. It's done. When opened, the changes I made is already here. Here, under Protect section, you can also encrypt your file. You can set up a password to your file. This will make your file only accessible to you. From here, you can add sign to your document. You can adjust various things. You can type whatever you want. Under Appearance, you can select font style, color, size, etc. One more interesting thing is translation. You can easily translate the text into any language with precision, as you can see here. You can summarize text, polish it into various formats, get explanations, and much more. Not only this, you get many other usable features and shortcuts that will save a lot of your time and make things much easier for you. One more interesting thing is that you can also take screenshot and even record your screen. Even the recording you are watching is done through this tool. You get access to speaker, microphone, and camera besides recording the screen. You get many other features. You can even merge 2 or more PDF files into one. You don't have to install different tools for different options. You just have to install PDNob and you can do whatever you want with your PDF. Get this amazing tool. Link is given below in the description. And let me know what feature you like the most.